Today I'm going to be sharing pork belly with sweet sauce. It goes well with buns, rice, noodle, or whatever you want, so it's very useful. First, you put the pork belly into the deep pot. The pork belly thickness is about 1.5 inches, which is about 5 centimeters. You add water enough to cover the pork belly. You add ginger. I'm adding about a teaspoon of ginger. And I added some spring onion, just the green part. You turn on the heat and start boiling. When it starts bubbling, you cover with the aluminum foil. And you boil it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you take out the pork and you cut it into pieces. So I'm cutting it to about 2 inches, about 6 centimeters. Now we're going to make the sauce for the second boil. First you add the sugar, mirin, soy sauce, sake, and dashi powder. I'm using a natural dashi here. Then you bring it to boil and turn the heat down. Make sure you're using a big enough pot so that all the pork pieces can fit inside in one layer. And you add the stock to just about the height of the pork. And you turn up the heat. You cover with the aluminum foil again and you boil it for 1 hour. If you can, you try to turn the pork within that 1 hour a couple of times. If you can't, just leave it. After 1 hour, my sauce became very thick. If your sauce is not that thick, you take out the aluminum foil and keep boiling until you get this thickness. There you go. I made pork belly bun. If you're reheating with the microwave, make sure you have a lid on because the skin is going to explode. Next day, I ate it again. Enjoy!